Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over Jungle Scout's new feature, Find a Supplier by ASIN. I have been asking for this for so long. I'm super pumped. It came out 36 minutes ago. There's no videos out about it. So stick around, you're going to learn something that's game changing. I'm excited to use it. I hopped right on. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're just going to get right into how to use this new feature and what it's all about. So if you don't know what Jungle Scout is, it's a tool, the ultimate tool for Amazon sellers. You could find products using it, and now recently you were able to find suppliers. Now you can actually find suppliers from a specific listing on Amazon. So it's an incredibly powerful tool. There will be a link for it in the description. So guys, check this out. What it used to look like was kind of just... there was, I think, company and supplier, and this looks a little bit different now, but let's go over this now. So if you have Jungle Scout already, you'll automatically have this feature. It'll be a new feature that's just unlocked for free. Like I said, if you don't have it, you could grab it down below. So let's go to Amazon, and I'll kind of just do a quick example here. I want to get this video up so that you guys know how to use this tool as quick as possible. So if we put something like camping hammock, I was testing this out a little while ago, kind of seeing how it would work. So I'm going to use an example that I'm familiar with. So camping hammock, what we're going to do now, what you could do is we would kind of look for what, who's number one, right? So Wise Owl, we would, you could click on his listing, and we could take his ASIN, right? So this is the first method you could do. You take his ASIN, you could come back here, you could select ASIN, and then go ahead and drop the ASIN in there and hit search. Now that's really cool. It's going to pull up his listing here. And what you used to have to do with this tool is you'd have to actually go figure out what their legal entity was. And somehow Jungle Scout's done an amazing job of figuring that out for you and giving you all their suppliers, right? So not only just for this product, but every supplier that this company is using. So you actually get more product ideas as well. Now this was exciting to me, the fact that you could do ASIN alone. But if you look in a little bit further, what you notice is that you can actually, there's a new tab here, right? So this is to add your product to Tracker. And what you guys will notice, again, if you have the Chrome extension, this will be a new update. I believe you have to have the web app as well. So if you have the light Chrome extension, this won't be here. But what you can do is you can actually click on Find Supplier for this product on any product. So while you're doing your product research, you could go find the supplier straight away. So the way that would work is it's going to bring you, essentially it's going to speed up what we just did. You don't have to grab the ASIN. You just click on that, right? Now it's going to work anywhere you could see that on the Chrome extension. So it'll work from this page, or if we click onto it and then pull the Chrome extension up here, it'll also be available. I'll be able to show you that right now. Here it's loading, and then obviously this is the first listing right here. It's going to be available there too. So it doesn't really matter how you're looking at it, you'll be able to find it. Now here we are, guys. So this, we've clicked in and it's actually brought us to this exact company, this exact ASIN. The brand is Wise Owl Outfitters, and their company's name is Back to Nature LLC. So now what I generally like to do is I'll sort. So they have actually 6 suppliers here, and they're all right here. Sometimes they'll have, it's only showing 5. I'll sort by latest shipment generally. That's a cool feature that's there as well. And then we could go ahead and open this up and kind of look at, if we started down here, that was all the way in 2017. So we're really just going to probably focus on shipments that came in within the last 4 or 5 months, right? So this shipment came in May. Okay, inflatable pillow. So that's not what we're looking for. Okay, owl hammock, double owl hammock, and then that's their name. So that makes total sense. So we would go ahead and actually click on this supplier right here. And you can see they've made 1 shipment in May, 386 units. Okay, cool. So this is where they ordered from. Inorganic chemicals, rare earth metals. So this is the name of the supplier right here. Now what you can do is you could hit search for contact information. What that's going to do, I'll show you really quick, is it's just going to Google search contact this company. And right here you could actually see that the first one is the Alibaba link. So now we could go to their company page, and look, we're right on, it just showed the hammock. So we're right on this company's page. Now, why is this so important? Well, check it out. We actually know that this has 4,000 5-star reviews. So we've actually let this company test the supplier for us. And now we could go ahead and, make an improvisation. We can make an innovation onto this product or a differentiation, improve what's already being done, and we don't have to worry about the quality, right? We know this company is reliable. It's supplying products to a listing with 4,000 5-star reviews. So we know these hammocks are good. So now we're actually lessening the risk of using a new supplier. Does that make sense? We're actually seeing exactly what's already working. I'd go as far as saying, you could probably order one sample. You don't even need an inspection because this company is supplying high quality products for that. So that's it, guys. That's the tool. Again, if you don't have it, you can get this tool in the description. It'll say Jungle Scout discount. I believe you get 20% off when you use my link. I think today is actually one of the last days you'll be able to get 30% off. So if you want to go ahead and grab that, you can. Excuse me, that was just for the extension. So this is, yeah, that's the tool, guys. If you have it already, go use it. I'm having a lot of fun with it. I did want to just make this announcement really quick because, like I said, it came out 40 minutes ago now. So let me know what you think about this. Go use this tool, check it out, and then comment down below after you've used it what you think. I think this is perfect. I personally didn't love the old Supplier database. Now I'm literally in love with the Supplier database. This is so cool. It makes it so convenient that you have this little tag to just click on right here. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. And if you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.